So in this video, I will show you how to properly use subscriptions on KeyAuth, and this is just so you can grant permission to certain users to access specific parts of your application. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a new subscription. I'm just going to call this subscription A, and then this will be level 2. Make sure if you have two or several different subscriptions that are doing different things on your application, that they are different levels. If they do match up in levels, you will basically assign two of the same subscriptions, and it just will mess up how your code is functioning. So now that I have my subscription, I'm just going to go to licenses, create a new key, and then I'll just set this to 1 month. And then I'm going to go over to my code, and this is in C# just because it's much easier. It has the UI already created. I have two buttons, one for A subscription and then one for default subscription. So on A, I'm just going to make an if statement, and then the code is already here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy. And I'm going to do equals A. And then I will do form1 f1 and then f1.show, and then else. So if the subscription does not equal A, we'll just do invalid sub. And then we can just go ahead and copy this and put it on to the secondary button. And then instead of having A, I'll just do default. And this will be form2. Copy this over. And if I go ahead and start that, come over here and grab my key, paste my key in, license, and it will tell you that I have the default subscription up here. And then if I go ahead and click on A, I can't access it because I do not have the A subscription, but if I click on default, I can access that. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you have any questions or you're concerned or confused about anything, just comment down below and I'll try to get to you when I can. As always, thank you for watching.